We are here at the Grand Palladium in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we wanted to give you all a tour of our room. We're staying in an ocean view suite here. It's really nice. It has 2 rooms here. There's a separate living room area as well as a separate bedroom area. And you know, we travel with our little one, Kennedy, and we love to stay in suites because it gives us an opportunity to have a separate space and also an opportunity for her to have her own separate space when we sleep. So this room has been absolutely wonderful for us. One of the things that I love the most about the rooms here at the Grand Palladium that was new to me is that they utilize these special wristbands that include a chip in them that you use to unlock your door. So they're not using key cards anymore. You have your little wristband that's with you all the time that you can use to get into your room. So let's talk about this suite. So we're in the living room area here. It does come with a pull-out sofa, and you can also get a mattress pad that sits on top of the pull-out sofa that makes it a little more comfortable. When we came and checked in, this was already set up for us and already ready to go for Kennedy, so she's been sleeping nice and cozy and comfortable. You also get a TV here in the living room area as well, and tons of storage. There's cabinets, there's drawers. There's also a mini fridge in this area as well that comes fully stocked with lots of water and sodas and beer also. Also in this room, we have a balcony, a large size balcony with some lounge seating, and that has a great view of the garden area and also a partial view of the ocean. So we also have a great sized bathroom in this suite as well. So as you can see, we have the humongous jetted tub, which Kennedy loves. She is a bath girl, so she has been enjoying the tub. She brought her bath bombs with her. She brought some bubble bath as well, and she has been taking full advantage of this bathtub. You also get a separate stand-in shower as well that has a rain shower head, and you also get a little private off-to-itself toilet area as well. A great sink and countertop area with lots of space for us as well. Let's go look at the bedroom. So as I mentioned before, you do get a separate living room area and bedroom area in this suite. It's a really big suite, and in this room we have a king-size bed. It also comes with a ton of storage just like in the living room, so you get lots of drawers and cabinets. There's also a TV in this room as well. I really love this room and the layout of the entire hotel room. I love all the modern accents that they have. I'm loving the gold and the black color scheme. And I also love that in the artwork, they are really bringing the nature that we're seeing as we walk around the property and walk around Jamaica here into this suite as well. Also in this room, you get the second balcony that's in the hotel room. So we have our very own balcony right here. It has some additional seating here as well, and also a great partial view of the ocean. All right, you guys, that's it for this quick tour of our suite. We also did a great tour of the entire property here at the Grand Palladium in Montego Bay. Make sure that you guys go back and watch that video so that you can see all that they have to offer. We'll link it in the description below. Also, if you want to see the Grand Palladium in Riviera Maya that we stayed at last summer, go back and watch that video as well as the tour of our suite there in Mexico. We'll also link that down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss the next great tour.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the secret door I found.
What's in there?
Pipes and wires.
Is that a hiding spot?
No.
No.
That's all, guys. See you in our next adventure.